Hazrat Bara radiyallahu anhu states that his maternal uncle Hazrat Abu Burda bin Niyar made a sacrifice before the Prophet's making a sacrifice and then submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is the day on which craving for meat other than that of a sacrificial animal is odious, and I have slaughtered the sacrificial animal early before time in order to serve it to my family, neighbors, and other households. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeat your sacrifice. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have a suckling baby she goat which has more meat than two she goats. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, it is the better of the two sacrifices, but it will be not permissible for anyone after you to make a sacrifice of a goat less than 1 year old. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5043.